Hi class, so this is what I want you to build for the web project assignment number 4. So here I have a list of, just some fruits. Again, you can have anywhere from 3 to 5 items or however many you want to choose. And so when I hover this, I mean, these are just, CSS effects. You don't have to do this if you don't want to. That's okay. I'm more interested in the functionality. Okay, so I'm going to also press the F12 key to show you the console. Let's see again. So here the console here, I'll make it big and see. So when I click on any one of these, like banana, okay, you see that the buttons show up here. I added another one called clear result so that I would basically just remove the content from here and also wipe out my array list. Okay, so you can see that here I printed out the banana, it's on the list now. If I click apple, and as you can see banana apple here, I did not sort the list. You can sort it if you want to. But if I click, say, apple again, right, you see that I did not have any duplicates. And as I noted, you can do it in a couple of ways. Okay, so if I click show result, you see the result shows down here. And these are not tied to any event, so they're not doing anything here. But when I click the clear result, everything gets wiped out. The list here is also gone. Okay, so if I type in the fruits, you see that has no content in that array. Okay, so again, if I go grape, banana, apple, cherry, all of them only 4. So you can see no duplicates, show result, and then clear result, and everything is gone again. Okay, so I hope this one gives you an idea of what you can build for your project. Thank you.